Alright, welcome YouTube. I am going to show you how to make your mic glitch and show your friends. So, how I got this to work was I downloaded VST Host. Downloaded that, not the glitch. I downloaded the VST Host. So that's one of the things you're gonna want to download, and then you're also gonna want to download VB cable. You're gonna download VB cable right here. I'll put these in the description. And then once you download all those, first thing I did was I brought up this right here. This is a sound control panel, and the first thing I did was I made my mic. I made it listen to the cable input for VB audio cable, and then once I did that, I opened up VST, and then so basically first thing you want to do is I'm just going to delete this, and first thing you want to do is right click and go into devices, go to Wave, set your input to your microphone, and then set the output port for cable input. I did DS because I don't know, it just seems to work better. And you click OK, and then you wanna download Glitch VST. I'll also put this in the description. No, it's not that website, it's this one. I just downloaded the 32-bit one. I'll put that in the description too. And then once you did that, just drag the folder in here. Just drag the contents of that, which I think I still have it. Yeah, no, that's not the one. Here we go. Alright, just drag everything into a folder in your VST hosts, and then what you want to do is you want to drag VST or the dBlue glitch version 1.3 in here, and then you can see it connects to the two, which this is basically just your input, which is your mic, and then this is the VB cable output. And if you did that correctly, it should work. And then that's not it. If you click on that, it looks like a clock or something. I don't know. No, it's actually a drum. But here you got your glitch, and then when I go into Discord and I set the cable output to that. Alright. So now, as you can see, it's working. You can put a bunch of patterns in here, and make it very impossible for someone to understand you. And that's how you do that. So I hope I clarified that pretty good. And thank you for watching. See you later.
If you don't, somebody will.